Apologies for being a little bit late for Wellness Wednesday. I was too ingrained in what I was doing. I am making a really, really simple dressing, an Asian dressing for you today. I'm heading away for the weekend with a couple of friends. Very much looking forward to it. And I am on meal planning and I'm just getting a few things prepped ahead. So I am making, one of the dishes that we're having is a grilled salmon on soba noodles with it's like a salad and with a miso Asian dressing, and it is amazing. So I thought I'm having to make it, so I thought I might as well make it with you. I want you to comment in the box below, in the comments below, if you want the recipe. So Asian is just my love. I just love all the, you know, the freshness and the herbs and the crunch. And this has actually got miso paste in it. This is how I buy my miso. This is a gluten-free brand made in Japan. And did you know that miso is a fermented food? So it's actually really good for your gut. So if you just have a hot water in the morning and put a teaspoon of this in, you know how you go to Japanese restaurants and you often have miso. So this is really good. So let me know, did you know that miso is a fermented food? Okay, so we have got rice wine vinegar. Don't forget to put it in the comments below if you would like this recipe. For those of you who are nutrient rescue lovers, look at what I'm using. This is so handy for dressings. Tell me, do you do that as well? So I'm adding in some miso paste, which is not coming off my spoon. I love miso. I've got a little bit of sweetener here with honey from my home farm, which is always lovely. Now in here I have got lime juice and I have got freshly grated ginger, which is just beautiful, and some chili flakes because I like a little bit of spice, and I hope that everyone else who is coming for the weekend does too. And then some sesame oil. And so if you just have this made up in the fridge just to have on hand, it is such a great dressing. And all, see, these shakers are so good for dressings. And so that's all it is. Rice wine vinegar, miso, sesame oil, ginger, lime juice, and honey and chili flakes, and that's all it is. And there you go, that's ready to go. So I'm just going to take like that. If it's a little bit thick, just add a little bit of water, but let me know in the comments box below if you want this recipe and I'll just post it below. Beautiful. Another thing done off my list. You have joined me, so thank you very much. So tomorrow for my Thermomix Thursday, I'm making tandoori paste, because I'm making a butter chicken with cauliflower rice and coconut wraps, and the butter chicken has got tandoori paste. So I'm making that in my Thermomix tomorrow if you want to join me. See you at 12:30. Otherwise, have a wonderful rest of your week, and let me know if you want the recipe, or if did you know that miso is a fermented food. Okay, see you later.